Hey guys, so in this video I will go over the main features that have been updated because they're pretty important, and the first one is the update button. Basically before it was stuck at 1%. Just keep in mind that it was a visual glitch. It still did the update. So I adjusted the code to properly reflect that and also added an output. As you can see, it straight jumped to 82%. That because the update finished and it is now verifying the server files. Alright, so it seems I was recording a black screen. Yeah, so let's do this again. So the premium website has been revamped in a way. I wanted to make it as close as possible to the desktop experience while keeping in mind the time it takes to implement stuff. So a lot of the code was rewritten. And now we have features such as backups that we can delete, store the remote site. Then another very good addition is the configuration page, where, for example, for Arc we can manage the mods. Currently, it's only available for Arc Survival Ascended. Yeah, so basically I can drag and drop and update the order. And also add mods like this. I can rename a mod if I want to. That's very useful if you add a mod and you don't know its name. So yeah, and this will be saved on the cloud. So mainly you will see the custom name only on the website. The other feature that's really cool is the file configuration. For example, if I want the game user settings, I can search for settings. So for example, say auto run setting, and I want to save it. And now if I want to close it, I will be asked whether I want to save it. Save and close. Then reopen it, search for the auto, and it has been changed. Now if we close this, we can just press again and stop. So that should be pretty useful because we also get syntax highlighting, so it's much easier to read the configuration settings. And then we have the settings page. So basically currently it only supports the change of the display name, but in the future there might be more options. Right, so the other very nice feature currently is admin strategies. What that means is that you can create a strategy which will let other users to manage your game servers. Alright, to get started, just press the add button, enter the name of your strategy, and then add the game servers you want to have managed. I will add both game servers, and then we select the permissions that we want the administrators to have. By default, if a user is an admin, he can view your server status name. Right, so we want to enable at first the backup action and to see if it works. Now to add a user, what I will do is I will use the Edge browser and just log in with Discord. Press the authorize button and I needed to refresh the site for some weird reason. Anyways, so now after I have logged in, I will press my profile and then go to the user ID section and just copy the ID. So basically the person you want to have as an admin will have to send the ID. And I just paste an edit and press the add user button. And there we have. And now if I go back to the user app on the Edge browser, you can see that we have both game servers assigned. We can see the status. And if we drag our mouse, we can see that we are assigned as admins based on this icon.